welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I'm in the wrong car on my way to Killarney. Yeah, so the Mark II's broken, and very broken at that. This bike coming second past. So if you don't know, the Mark II is down and out. I killed the gearbox at the last Street Mania event. Yeah, I was the last run for the night. I basically shut the track down. But it was like just before 10, so it was going to end anyway. Makes me feel a bit better about myself. But anyway, I'm on my way now. It's a Germany versus Japan event, and I thought, you know what, I'll come through, show some support, and perhaps throw a GoPro in a car too, and maybe get some in-car footage of some guys racing, rooting for Japan. Not. So yeah, let's see the Germans dominate tonight, and yeah, I think it's gonna be a fun event. So this is that side entrance, and it is pumping. Yeah, so it's definitely going to be a well-attended event. It's around 5 to 7. So I just popped the camera in the GTS. So let's see what it does. He is racing a beast, so it's going to be chasing taillights. I just put the camera in the suspect racing Mark I, and it looks like he's lying up next to, what is that, an RS3. So yeah, he's gonna lose for sure, but it should sound good. Nice to see a VR out and about. Should be interesting to see what it does against the Vtec. Let's see what the VR6 does. Nope. He's getting a whooping. Nope. He's actually ahead. No, Honda's ahead. Honda takes it, unfortunately. Just popped the GoPro in the Mark I. I'm actually not too sure. I think it's an 8-valve. 8-valve on ITB, something along those lines. Should be a nice run. I think he's against the VVL. So let's see what's up. And a Focus I raced in the last video. 350 got out much better, but the Focus looks like it takes it. Focuses the power on top. Wow, that was a close run. Mark 7 against the Suspect Racing Mark 1. Mark 1 should take it. Mark 1 is flying. There's no way. There's no way that 7 can catch him. So that's the traveling GoPro tonight. It's in the 3-5 IS. So we'll get some in-car action. Yeah, the GoPro's been in 2 cars before this, but it wasn't recording. Okay, so I've got a camera in the M and he's racing the GTS, so this should be a lovely run. This should be really good. Who took the run? Who took the run? Got the camera in the Mark 1 racing FN2. No idea what's in the Mark 1. It's got a speed hunter sticker, so it must be fast. GoPro in the bucky. Put the camera in the BMW. The angle of the dangle's a bit weird, but I'll fix it in post. Vaughn versus Luke. Vaughn's going to whip him. There's no doubt about it. This 135 was quite impressive. You said the car's misfiring in third, so you had to like tap off and put down again. But it still goes well. Oh! Suspect Racing Mk1 against E92, I think. It's actually just the last round I want to see and then I'm leaving.
Over there.
Not bad at all. I'm leaving. Took a while to actually get out of the parking at the back. Yeah, just like I left like 10 minutes before 10, so like everyone was leaving then. That's what it felt like. But it was fun. I enjoyed. This Mark 5 looks nice. I enjoyed the night. I have no idea what the footage looks like. I will see it when I edit, so you guys have seen what it looks like. Let me know your thoughts on this sort of video. It was just, I don't know what the ETA is on getting the Mark II back, and once I have more info I'll let you guys know what's up. But I thought this would be a good video to keep you guys going, so I'm trying not to miss uploads. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Looks like I'm behind a Ghost Squad car. Someone's gonna get pulled over now, because I don't think the guys see, but I sees you. So that Ghost Squad Golf was ahead of me, but instead of taking the turn off like I did, he went further on and turned to come out this road. I don't know, he's probably already further along, but we'll see if he pulls someone over, if someone decides they want to race on here. So I just saw blue lights. I feel like I'm Ghost Squad hunting, but I think someone got pulled over because going towards Goodwood I saw blue lights, so I think someone was unlucky. So hope you enjoyed it. There's some cars that looked really impressive, so I'm quite excited to see what it was like in car. That red Mark 1 was really a shocker to me because that thing looked really quick. I don't know the specs and the breakdowns of the cars. If you know, like, drop it down in the comments. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.